Hello, this is Leonie of Gardens of Blessings TV, a life full of blessings to you. Today is October 21st, 2021. A while ago, we tried to check if our sweet potatoes are ready for harvesting, and this is what we got.
Anyway, this is what I call pre-harvesting. I get stuff out here and there, and then the others can grow. Oh, I messed up on that one. I might as well take the whole thing.
Look at that.
Okay.
What variety is this, honey?
This is protrudes.
And then the flesh is?
Orange.
Orange. Yeah.
I grow orange, yellow, white, and purple. So I had to think on it.
Yeah, so we are using black plastic with this, and this is, we kind of gradually harvest it. So this variety, it grows right next to where the mother plant is, right, honey?
Yes.
Yeah. So in every plant we have a really big one here and a really small one. Yes, that one. That is. And then some of them are still having what you call that one, flowers, right? So
Yes.
I think this one has some too, because you can easily see the something, because it kind of have a crack, and the soil is protruding though. So let's see if I'm right.
Alright. I may have already robbed the sweet potatoes from here, but we'll find out.
Yeah. Really big one. Let's see. There's one here. There. So. Here. Alright. There. There you go. Any other? That's it.
I think so.
Yeah, so let's gather the
white
ones.
too?
Yeah, let's see. Let's try our white ones. Go ahead and do the white ones.
Let's see, the deer are eating these already.
So what is the variety of this one? It's
White queen.
white queen. Alright, so the flesh of this one is right there. Is our white. They are very easy.
Yeah.
There you go. Really, really. I actually like this one. It is really like Filipino kamote. It is not soggy. It is salty. Yeah. There.
Okay.
So yeah, we have this for one mother plant. This one here, we just have to, and there is it. There.
I'd like to let them grow for now, and then we'll be back another day.
Yeah, so this is from the Gardens of Blessings TV, simple life full of blessings. Bye bye.